Hey there, welcome to our video where we're going to dive into a common problem many developers face when implementing a multi-threaded GUI application with PySide6. The issue we're tackling today revolves around fetching data from a sensor and visualizing it in real time within our Qt application. Now, the challenge arises when we need to manage the data fetching process effectively while keeping the user in control. Let's talk about the solution to this problem. The first approach involves using an indefinite but user-interruptible loop without the need for a sleep function. This approach works well for synchronous, blocking APIs such as PySerial or QSerial port. By utilizing a timeout on the port, we can ensure a smooth data retrieval process without the sleep function. This method ensures efficient communication with the sensor while allowing the GUI thread to handle any incoming signals seamlessly. Moving on to the next part of our solution, we have the asynchronous, non-blocking API approach. This method is ideal for reading from asynchronous I/O like Qt socket or QSerial port in async mode. By adopting this method, we can leverage Qt's event loop to manage the asynchronous data transfer effectively. The event loop ensures that the GUI remains responsive while the data fetching process continues in the background, providing a seamless user experience. Now, let's explore the final piece of our solution, which involves handling periodic events with precision. By using a timer-based approach, we can ensure that periodic tasks, such as pulling a sensor at specific intervals, are executed accurately. The QTimer class in Qt allows us to schedule these periodic events with minimal drift, ensuring consistent and reliable data retrieval without the risk of delays or inaccuracies. In summary, by combining these approaches based on the nature of the API and communication mode, we can create a robust and efficient data fetching mechanism in our PySide6 application. Remember, the key is to choose the right approach based on whether you're dealing with synchronous or asynchronous I/O to optimize performance in user experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below. See you in the next one.